Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've confirmed the cable and monitor support the target refresh rate, so start by opening Windows Display Settings and your GPU control panel. In Windows, select the correct monitor, click Advanced Display Settings, then Display Adapter Properties. This fetches supported modes. Once done, make sure the monitor is set to its native resolution to avoid unsupported refresh options. Simultaneously launch NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software. You'll need it to create or select higher refresh modes if Windows doesn't list them. You now move into the detailed steps. In the GPU control panel, pick the monitor and navigate to change resolution or custom resolutions. If the desired HC isn't listed, create a custom mode using the monitor's native resolution and a timing standard like CVTRB or reduced blanking. This often enables higher HC over HDMI. Apply the mode, then test briefly for stability. If flicker or no signal occurs, revert immediately. Keep a second display or safe mode plan ready so you can recover without a reset. You're at the final stage. Apply the selected refresh rate in both the GPU panel and Windows, then run practical tests like cursor movement, video at 6240 HC, and simple games to confirm stability. Make sure color and scaling remain correct. Adjust color profiles if needed. If you see artifacts or blackouts, update GPU drivers and monitor firmware, then try a different cable or input port. One troubleshooting tip. If the monitor loses signal, boot into safe mode, and reset display settings before reapplying higher rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.